This dot matrix game, DMG1, or sometimes also called Game Boy from the early 90s, has a known issue with its passive matrix LCD. The symptoms are missing vertical lines, usually on the sides of the display. Let's connect an external power supply set to 6 volts. Setting the contrast to the highest level reveals the faulty vertical connections, which are located right under the display. Some of the lines flicker when you gently tap on that area, as you can see, which reveals that the problem is in the connector and not in the display itself. Fortunately, there is an easy way to fix these kind of issues by simply reheating the problematic areas, for example with a soldering iron or a heat gun. Phase 1. Collect a piece of rubber and the adhesive strip. Phase 2. Phase 3. Profit. A working connection is obviously indicated by a black vertical line. Continue until you see a black screen. This can take a while and you may also break working connections, but don't give up. And that's it. Thanks for watching.